Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about the vision board. Can you believe it's 2021? It does feel a little bit of 2020, but don't let it stop you. There's so much that happened in 2020, but that's one good thing about it is that humanity had come together as a community, fighting what's right and etc. I believe that we will get back to reality at some point because you're able to adapt, you get used to things, and we will make it work. If we do go back to normal, I know we're all gonna get comfortable again. I know some people are telling me that once we go back to normal, we're gonna party all the time, go out every single day, and do other things that they have missed. I guarantee you that you will at some point work cancel plans. I know you will. That's how we humans operate. So I made this a while ago and I'm finally sharing it with you, but it's never too late to create your own goals. So technically it's a digital vision board. I know it's not an actual board, but I'm not very crafty, so forgive me. I think eventually I will have to get crafty.
Yeah, right.
I know it's not a lot, as you can see. Someone like me, I like to do a lot of things. I want to do everything, but I just want to make it short and simple and something easy for me to achieve. I will add more along the way. Not all of them are easy, but obviously you have to put your time and your hard work to make it achievable. Why do I have these two on my vision board? Well, I hope one day I'm able to meet them and make video with them as well. The point is I have their books. That's the cover of their books. And I know as growing up, I hate reading books. I don't like reading books at all. And I have some people telling me that, Lisa, you should read some books. But they are good for you. I took a liberty that this year I'm going to read some books. So at the start, I'm going to read these two books first. And I mean, I am halfway reading this book right now. Think Like a Monk. Okay, I lied. I'm like almost halfway. Almost. I don't think I need to explain every single thing here, otherwise we'll be spending hours and hours and hours and hours. Super, be happy, cooking, I love food. You have to see it. I love food. I love sushi. Confidence. Just to be honest right now, I'm like low-key nervous doing this. It's just something I need to work on. So that's why it's just on my vision board. Being confidence. Let's see what else. I think you can see like some traveling as well. Like I know that we are home right now. We can't do anything, but I hope that we're able to make some travel plans soon. So before the lockdown last year, I was able to go to a few places. I was able to go to Vancouver, Seattle, and San Fran. I was lucky to be able to go just before everything shut down. So at the bottom right here is the last minute show with Lisa. That is something I've been working on for a while. It's kind of like the late night show, but this is the mini version of it. I'll tell you all about it, of why I'm doing this once it comes out. So stay tuned. For now, don't expect something big. Just focus on the present and just go with the flow. If you got something big going on, I'm happy for you. And for those who have no idea, it's okay. Just take one step at a time. Make some small goals, and take the lesson that you learned in 2020 and apply it to 2021, or
make a vision board.
This is interesting because I'm very visual person, and I have written down my New Year resolution for many years, and that's never helped me. And honestly, I get lost. Like, where's my list go? Like, honestly, where? When I do find them, I look at the list and I'm like, I only achieve one thing out of what, like 10 or 20 of them on my list. I hope that this vision board will help me to visualize, push it towards it, and achieve some of them on my vision board. And even if you achieve it or not, make sure you have some reflection on it, because you're able to backtrack, how did I get there, and why am I not able to achieve this one goal. So it's all about the learning process. I recommend that everyone should try it. You don't have to do it, just do it for you. As you know, I'm like the laziest person. I'm a huge procrastinator, and then I do everything last minute. I know you do it too. Don't lie. So, and sometimes my friend was telling me that, why do you plan things 365 days ahead? Like, I mean, it's good to have both. To plan things ahead and to do everything last minute. It's good to have both. I do both. So, get up, you lazy ass. Time for you to do some vision board. Google is your best friend. Grab some magazine or newspaper. Do people still read newspapers? Oh gee. Oh, and yes, YouTube tutorial. YouTube tutorial. Use that. Google and YouTube are your best friend. Use that. If you want, you can check out a little DIY. She has really good stuff. You can learn from her. If you like DIY, it's perfect. Go check it out. Once you're done, you can just hang it up on a wall or somewhere that you can actually see. And I have it on my background screen. So if I do go on my iPad, I mean everybody go on their devices. So if I do go on it, if I see it, like a reminder to myself that I have to push to where I am right now. While you're doing your vision board, I want you to know that there's a time for you to come out of your comfort zone. I know you are very comfortable where you are. You don't want to take a leap. You're too scared or dislike change. You have potential. Go challenge yourself. Educate, meet new people, because you're gonna learn so much and you're gonna expand your network as well. And they will help you. You help them and they will help you. I guarantee you will become wiser, and there are so many people on the same boat as you. It's all about supporting each other. Change is good. Make sure you grab every opportunity that you see. Change from fear to fearless. You got this. Oh, you all heard this, right? You heard it, right? Good, good. That's it. And thank you so much for watching and pay attention to me. I have fun talking to you. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment on all my social media. I don't know if you guys still do it or not. If you do it now, like now. And thank you all for all your support. Until next time. Bye.